Alright, so it's time to test this lavalier microphone. Are you ready, Grizzly?
Yes, I am ready. Oh, Grizzly. How are you doing today, Grizzly?
You feel pretty good today? Say hello to our televiewers. Hello, friends. Please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's try to sing with this lavalier. Are you ready? Ready? Okay. Mali. Are you ready? It's really hard to play without the long fingernails. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have a special guest. Who doesn't know Grizzly or We Bear Bears? Yeah, I'm not really quite a fan of We Bear Bears, right? So I have a shirt, a hat, and of course I have Grizzly with me right now. Say hello to Grizzly, everyone. Isn't he adorable? Alright, so dyan ka lang, Grizzly. Tabi ka lang dyan. Let him watch us. Okay, so for today's video, we will be doing another unboxing. So recently, Lazada just have their big sale on December 12th. So of course, we didn't miss the sale, right? We have bought a Boya lavalier microphone by M1, and we just really wanted to try this. So it's good for blogger and for those who wanted to, you know, have this Omni directional microphone. So when we say omnidirectional, it is actually receiving signal or transmitting in all direction. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started in doing the unboxing for this one. I actually opened it already, but yeah. So there you go. I actually bought this for 499 pesos. There you have it. They wrap it in, of course, plastic bubble wrap to protect the item. So this one is produced by Boya, and this is a lavalier microphone Micro-Cravate. How this pronounced that? Just anyhow. So you can see the girl in here who's doing a presentation, right? So I guess you have already the idea of what's exactly inside these bags. So let's take a look. Ta-da! So it is packed with a little handy dandy bag. It's cute. It's like a plastic letter. Also comes with a manual, of course. Little instruction in here. Basic instruction. So what's this? This is a warranty card. They also have a warranty card. Alright, so let's see what's inside this little handy dandy bag. Okay, so as you can see here, we have a piece of jack. So basically this is for the audio. It says here that you can use this for smartphones, camcorders, DSLR, audio recorders, and personal computer as well. So this also have a foam windshield. And this is actually the what? LR44 battery. Of course, it comes with a positive and negative turbo. This is the LR44 battery. So of course, this is the main part of the microphone. This is the omnidirectional microphone and the lapel clip. I already attached the lapel clip. I actually received it yesterday. Alright, so yeah, this is the unit where the battery will be inserted. So it also comes with a 6 millimeter, no, 6 meters, 6 millimeters. It's too small. So this is a 6 meters cable that you can use if you will be using this outside. So this will be useful. This cable is very useful. So if you wanted to, turn it on, just slide the on and off. For smartphone, it shall be at the downside, and then for cameras, you'll just slide it off, slide it, and then go to the camera. So there you have it. Can you see that, guys? Yeah. Upper part is the camera, lower is the smartphones. Alright, so if you would place the battery, you just need to do like that. Cha-daan! This is where you will insert the battery. So let's insert it. So make sure that you will insert it correctly. Okay. Alright. Now let's insert it. So of course we need to put the foam windshield. Foam windshield will actually avoid some, it will be helpful for taking out the noise, unnecessary noise. Right. Okay, so there you have it. We will just clip it here. So I don't have a DSLR camera, so we will be testing this in smartphone. Alright, so we will just insert this one right now. Okay. Okay, Grizzly, are you ready to test our Lavalier microphone condenser? Omnidirectional microphone? Hello, hello. Would you like me to put that in your clothes as well? There you have it. Grizzly is talking now. Hello, Grizzly. How are you doing today? Oh, I'm great. Are you sure you're great? So can you hear the difference between between me talking without this lavalier microphone versus me talking with this one? Oh, I don't think so. Okay, so yeah, you love this? Okay, guys, what do you think? Is it nice? Because this is just the first time that I ever bought a omnidirectional condenser microphone. So if you like the quality of this Boya By-M1 microphone, then please don't hesitate to buy it in Lazada or anywhere else, online shopping or anywhere where you can find the Boya microphone. Right, Grizzly? Okay, so yeah, What else can I advise? I would advise also it would be best to buy some products during their sale season so that you can have more savings and more discounts, right? So if you like this video, guys, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button as well. And yeah, without further ado, we will now say goodbye to you all. So say bye bye. Bye bye to Grizzly as well. Bye. Isn't this so cute? Okay. So bye bye na. Bye bye.